Hey, this is Neil with Tint Masters here at WindowEffects. I'm going to show you the fastest way to tint 3 back windows on a Silverado. We're going to go bird eye view here. Let's get the windows wet. Already cleaned them. All right, we're going to peel them all. All right, so to do this the most efficient, we're going to have to go here. I don't want a little bunch on me. Alright, so that was a little tricky getting that first one on there. And you ask, why do we do that? We do that for a fun little challenge, okay? But I guarantee you that went in there, we didn't touch anything, so we don't have to worry about any dirt or contamination. So it's not like we're just slapping stuff in there and not doing high quality work. Alright, so we're gonna make sure, because we're gonna squeeze these out and inspect them so you can see nice up and close with the glasses. That one's perfect. This one's perfect so far. That one I don't want to push it all the way down because we got to cut off that little thing. That one's perfect too. So, I mean, I'm looking right up and close to the glasses so we don't got any specks of dirt. All right, we're just gonna have to get behind this and round off this little corner right here. Boom. Can't do it any faster than that. There you go. That's how you do a fast, efficient job. Extra clean, no gaps on there. Came out perfect. Cleaned it all up. You guys make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right.